We are going to celebrate the Independence Day in Jordan. We are now here in the Royal Tank Museum. Let's go! Here is the Royal Tank Museum. Let's go! So guys, tank. Wow, this is tank. Amphibian? Yeah, it's an amphibian tank. Mark 1. Wow, this is the best one. Medieval horseman. Wanna go inside? Wow. Hala. Look how they work inside, guys. They're also soldiers. Let's go. Here. Okay, go there. Oh, what's this? It's nice. Da Vinci the tank. Whoa. The Da Vinci tank. Nice. Whoa. Oh. It's a badge of canyons. I'll take picture here, eh? This one is the Howitzer cannon. Ooh, nice. This is the old one. QF-13 powder field gun. Okay. This one. Oh, it's a Gatling gun. Yes, Gatling gun. Oh, and a mini tank. It's so cute. So cute. Light tank. It's a light tank. Oh, nice tank. So this is a Renault UE Shinolet. Oh, there's lots of tank here. Ah, small one. Ooh. There is guns. Electric gun na naman to. Machine gun. German machine gun. This is British rifle. Oh, wow. British Lee Enfield rifle. This is machine gun. This is a gun gun. Wow. Pero tayo, Pap, tingnan. Oh, more tanks inside. Whoa. Wow. Amazing. There's many tanks in here. Oh, look at this. What's this? Oh, nice. Ang ganda. Dalang tangke. Guba-guba na. Wow. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Many tanks. Sword. The tanks are in here. Crusader. Bap. Oh, rifles. Get the rifle. What is this? Ooh. Soviet Union, no? 41 MS SMG. Ito na map, no? Damn! Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Look at that barrel! Canyon barrel! Ooh, nice! Citizen Patrol. This is Flak 88. Guys, dami. Wow, look at that. Monster! Look at that monster! Sherman M4. Wow. This is Comet. Oh, that monster, dude. Wow. Whoa. This is a nice one. And it's a tank. Bap, sure. Yeah. Okay. I got this one, oh, it's a big one. Damn. Ah, so cute, the Jeep. Here are the rockets or the shells. German. Yan guys, ang daming bala. This is like rifle. Oh, look at this motorcycle with a machine gun. Huh? This is BMW R75. This is a cute one. Kobo wagon. This is Schwimmwagen. Oh, this is an amphibian. This can run on water. You see, the base there, it's designed for water. It's like this. Picture, both of you. So, ito yung parang kampo nila nung araw. Yan. Tapos yung mga sniper. This is the tank. Ah, this part pa ba? Ah, okay. So these are the Jordanian Army section. See their tank. Desert Storm. And Desert Storm yung team niya. So these are their weapons. Wow, what a rifle? Grenade launcher. Oh, grabe. Look at this. This is the soldier attire. Wampung. Wow. Look at that. So here guys, this is the new Jordanian tank now. Ganda. This is now. What is that, Tash?
Jordan and Israel.
Oh.
Jordan, 268.
Oh.
Did you get to witness it, Mama? Did you get to witness it? Did you get to see?
Experience, Baba. Experience the battle, no? Where did you stay? Yeah, this is a modern tanks. This one. What's this one? This is quad mount M45. Wow. Oh, that's a big tank. Siya na magtago ng kampo nun. Oh. Machine gunners. Machine gunners. What's that? Oh. Look at that massive tank. Other weapons back in the war. M14 ay Garand, American rifle Garand siya. Okay. Ang invasion ata ni Kwan ni ano to, Hitler. Damn, this tank is massive. Oh my goodness. Oh, double barrel. This is an M48 Patton. See? Grabe. See guys how they value their tanks. Just in case time will come again.
So
Oh.
we use this one in the battle.
Yeah, baba. This one was actually used. So it's like a fireworks. When it distributed, many bullets came
Or
out.
against aeroplanes.
Yeah, baba. Anti-airplane tank. This one. This one's nice. See those guys?
We call them, you know, this soldier.
Ah.
They are in the front of the tanks and
Yeah, they radio. They check
and
the
they give them the
coordinates.
the situation of the enemy, where they are. And there is a story, sad story, that one of them, they told the Jordanian army, shoot and bomb this area. This area is his area, with all the enemy around him.
Ah, sacrifice.
Then he
Ah, half truck sa mini tank. Andres Bonifacio, nag-gerra. That's done. More. Yan mga modern na to. So the modern tanks guys, yan. Tegoma na siya. This is bulletproof.